So this is the fifth Knowledge Day that the PMTC has held, and really the purpose of it is to try and disseminate a lot of information around the research work that the centre has performed, and that's been done in collaboration with a lot of companies. So the centre has 38 members, a mix of 60% SMEs in Ireland and 40% multinationals, but also a huge range of research performing organisations. So it's to showcase a lot of those collaborations and share some of the work, but also to invite international leaders, to have some thought leaders come and share their experience of the more international scene, as well as feeding into where our future direction might be.
So I'm a senior engineering consultant at Perceptive Engineering, and the company itself is around 20 years old, and they started out purely in control engineering and then moved a lot closer into things like chemometrics and machine learning. So they're coming at this from a control engineering point of view, but adding these nice new techniques in over the top. So my role is generally to support the application of a lot of the installations and to work with research centres such as PMTC to bring all these cutting edge algorithms and machine learning techniques into the eye of the pharmaceutical industry. The idea behind it is that it will reduce the cycle time to get things developed and out into the manufacturing. If you have a new molecule that you're trying to work out the optimum to process it at, using some of these techniques, you cut out a lot of the manual lab work that you used to have to do, and you also get an understanding of how the process analytical technology works along the same side, which when you move into manufacturing, that knowledge is invaluable.
There's a huge footprint of pharma manufacturing in Ireland, not necessarily concentrated here in Limerick, but across the country. But co-hosted here is another SFI research centre. We are at a very much applied research level, so we are bridging that academia to industry. They're more in the fundamental research, and I think from a national perspective, what we're trying to do is make sure that where it makes sense we collaborate, but we're not repeating the work. So having that close collaboration and understanding one another's remit is part of it. So to be co-located here at the Bernal Institute in the University of Limerick is very advantageous from that perspective.